Today in this video now, I want to train you on how to promote your goods and services online using Facebook advert then without paying any amount of money. So that's just the trick. You will not pay any amount of money, you will run Facebook ad and use it to promote your goods and services online. So all I need from you now is just to be patient. I need your attention. I want you to just stay away from distractions and give me full attention. Watch this video to the end and let me know your feel about this video. Give me a call, leave your comment in the comment section of this video. Leave your comment, let me know what you feel about this video. So maybe you have been on your timeline just like my own now. See my timeline, see advert now, see this advert. This is paid advert, Facebook paid advert, as you are seeing like this, and it's very good, it's very sweet. Something like this, very good, very sweet and profitable. But at the same time, I want to tell you that some of this Facebook paid advert is frustrating. Yes, I'm telling you, I'm talking to you from experience. It's frustrating. Some of these Facebook sponsor ads, there are many challenges attached to Facebook sponsor ads, like banning of accounts. At times you may run adverts, you may not get result, waste of money. There are many things. There are many things, right? Waste of money, not getting results, no conversion, this, that, many things. If you have the experience of what I'm talking about now, you know what I'm talking. You will understand what I'm saying. For real, Facebook sponsor ads is one of the best way of promoting goods and services online. Make your money. Yes, yeah, I can give guarantee you can make millions, you can make anything, but at the same time some people are not getting it right and they are losing their money. So if you fall to that category, like you have been running Facebook advert and at the end is you'll be crying inside, and you have been trying series of Facebook advert, maybe they ban your account, this, that, many things. So if you fall to this category, you need to watch this video to the end. This video is for you. All right. So all I need from you, like I said earlier, is your full attention. Pay close attention to this video and watch it to the end. So I want to go to the business of the day now, but before going there now, if you are very new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, because there are many more videos I'll be releasing soon. Then here now, turn up the notification bell here, click on it and select all, so that anytime I'm uploading videos like this, instantly you'll be notified on your phone. Then give me a like here. Hey, there's one more thing I want you to do for me, please. Here, leave a comment in this comment box. Leave a comment, and in your comment leave the hashtag Facebook ads, so as to help the online presence and to help the growth of my YouTube channel here. All right, thanks so much as you are doing. So let's go back to the business of the day on how to do this. Okay, the first thing to do now is to come here, go to search button here, and type either buy and sell or marketplace. Okay, let me type marketplace. Either buy and sell or marketplace. So search for it. That's first thing. Then the second thing I want you to do is to click on groups here. Click on groups. That's the second thing here. Then the third thing to do is to come here now and click these settings here. Then you see my own city now. I will click on city. So see, there's something I want to show you. I'll click on city. This anywhere. So I'll click here now. Now see my own default city here, showing Lagos, Nigeria, because I'm from Nigeria. In my Facebook profile now, I put Nigeria there, so that's why I'm showing Lagos, Nigeria. So if I want to search for any other city now, I will type it here now instead of so instead of anywhere. Now I will change it to Lagos, Nigeria now from anywhere. Then I will click show results. So you now, if the one I'm showing here, I'm seeing here now, your may not be in Lagos, Nigeria. If your own profile, the country you put in your Facebook profile, maybe it's from USA or any other part of the other country, what you see will different. So that's how to switch it. And if I want to get places from US now, I'll change my profile now. Then in my profile I will edit it and put it in United States of America. So if I do the settings here, I'll get groups from US. All right, the next thing to do now is here, you'll be joining those groups. So you see this one, look at this one. I have joined this group already, so I just have to enter the group. So you have to be joining those groups. Make sure we join those groups. Join. That's another thing to do. Now the next thing to do is I will use this one now. I will use this group as a sample now. Yeah, Ikorodu marketplace. I'll use this one as a sample now. So I will now I'll click here now. You see, I'll click here. See, look at the group. So people are marketing their things here. See, they are marketing things here, many things here. So I will click here now, this place. Let me click it. I think that's 108,000 members. This group have 108,000 members, as you can see it. So the next thing now is, let me scroll down. Then I will go to see all. See all. Click on see all. Then the next is yes, this is what I want now. Admin and moderator, this is where I need now. Admin and moderator. So either you click see all so that you can see everything. Admin and moderator, see all. So the next thing to do now is, this is the admin. These admins, we want to talk with this admin. We want to chat with this admin now. Admin. Okay, great. You see those admin now. Ikorodu Mart. And this, I think there are some pages here also. So what you have to do is, okay, these are pages. See, these are pages. This one, and this one, pages, because you can see. Let me show you what I saw. You can see this one, something like, and like. So now the next thing to do now is, you are going to message any of these people. That's what you are going to do now, to message them, and I will tell you the kind of message you send to them. So I will locate one of them now. One of them now. Let me go for this first one. You can message them through their page, or you can message through page or through the normal profile. So let me click this one. The first thing to do now, you see, Ikorodu, that's an online marketplace where buying and selling are brought to prospective clients. Buy, sell, promote. Great. Now what you have to do next is to add this person as friend. That's what, because you want to give them closeness. Another thing, if you message somebody that's not your friend, if you message them on Facebook, the message will be under message request. It's just like you want to spam. So you have to send this person friend request first. That's the first thing to do. Send friend request. So check if you can get this person's phone number. If you can, so click to add this person as friend. Send this friend request to this person. That's the first thing. Now wait for, if possible, a day, second day now. Wait if this person will accept your friend request. Wait, send the friend request to this person and check the profile if you can get their phone number here. If you can get the phone number, that's one thing. The second one is this person also, all of them add them on Facebook. All of them add them on Facebook and wait for them to approve your friend request. Then the pages, let me click on the pages. If the phone number is there in the pages now, the phone number is not there, but website is there. You know what now? Just to find the means of reaching them closely, not like you want to you want to read them, and I just to maintain closeness with them, any one of them. So that's the link I'm trying to get now. So what I have to do next is just check if there's phone number. There's no phone number here, but you can visit the group and their website. You can also check through the website if they put phone number there, just to reach any one of them. I'll tell you what to do next, okay? So let me go back. From here now, you can also leave message. Yes. You can drop message from them here also. I'll tell you the kind of message to drop now. So let's assume now that through their profile account, you add them and they accept your friend request, or maybe one of them, at least out of 7 or 8 friend request sets, we'll see one of them that will accept your friend request within 24 hours. So if one accept your friend request now, one, and this one also, you can send them message here. Now, if you send message here now, maybe this page, right? So let me click on this page now. Like I want to send message to this person now. So this one is okay, because they would if you are sending message to person's page, it's not going to be under the message request. That one will go straight up, and that person, the owner of the page, will be notified that you have message on their page, so they will be able to see your message instantly. The kind of thing to write this person is that you have to let them know You have to let them know that you want to promote your things. You are into e-commerce, or you are into this, that, anything you are doing, like you want to promote yourself, or you want to promote your service, or you want to promote your goods, anything you are doing now, you explain that you are into this and you want to promote this. Now you want to know, you want to run your advert, you want to promote your goods through their page, or their group, sorry. You want to promote your goods through their group. You want them to help you promote your goods through their group, but you want to make some further inquiry. If they can just please give you their phone number or maybe WhatsApp number, there are things you want to confirm first. Trust me, they will give you their phone number, because you know everybody like business now, like, so they will drop their phone number. They would like to hear from you, because they know your mission, they know what you are trying to do, they know your mission. So they will give you their phone number or WhatsApp number. Instead, they will give you. Then when you now call, yeah, that will not be like, let me use the word man to man, or woman to woman, or man to woman. Hey, you will hear each other. This is not matter of chatting. You hear each other. That's when you now call this person. You now give this person personal scope. I will call it personal scope. So you try to beg. You don't have money. Try to let them understand your situation. Like, you have goods, and this kind of goods you have now, you use all your life. Like, maybe you borrow money or loan or whatever. You have to buy. If to even sell it now, you have problem of selling it. And your Facebook account, they have banned it. If they don't ban itself, just give them the reason. I'm not teaching you how to lie, but give them reason that will convince them enough to pity you. So that is just the simple word I will use. When a person you are communicating with on phone now, so if I thought they don't want to do this thing promotion for you, the purpose of this is just to let them help you to do free promotion, even if it's just within a day, so that if you have profit, at least from your profit now, you should be able to afford the payment for the promotion from you, that you are ready to make payment. But as you are just broke and you will need to sell your goods, they should just understand you are put you in your shoes. They should help you. So if you try this now, you will see one of them that will consider to help you. Even some will say, okay, they will only put it there for 30 minutes. Trust me, this is 100 and how many thousand? 100 and something thousand in the group. 100 and something thousand in the group. Are you getting what I'm saying? So if they can even consider, maybe let's say within 30 minutes now, they can drop your advert on their platform now. For 30 minutes now, your advert will reach one. See, it may not be 104,000 people, but there are thousands of people that will watch that advert, and they will get in touch with you. All you have to do is just that. Your price, don't push it up. Put the kind of price that will be attractive to people, that wow, really, they will, like bonanza now. So you have to be creative in the kind of, if they are, let us know that they are set to help you for the promotion. You put the kind of the price that is attractive, like bonanza or something like that, and that's all. Before you see now, many people will contact you on WhatsApp. The link you put there now for the promotion content you've given them, you will put your WhatsApp link there. They will reach you, and as a result, you have your sale. So the subsequent one now, you can pay for that. So that is the trick I have for you. And another one I want you to try also is joining these groups now. Let us know that you have joined this one now. Look at this group now. That you have joined now. You can come here now. What are you selling? You can also start selling from here. It's just free. It's free. But why you need to reach the admin for help for personal promotion from admin is, or moderator, is because anything they are putting, that they have more influence than you, because it's their group. They can easily help you to influence. So that's why I say, if I thought you even pay, you will pay lesser and have maximum result or return on that investment. So that's what I have for you. Please, if you are very new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe here. Turn up the notification bell. Give me a like with this video if you think it makes sense to you. And here, please drop your comment with the hashtag Facebook ads. Thank you. I love you. Bye.